What is it?
Tomato. It has sturdy.
Really?
It has a kind of modern fingers.
What is it?
Look, I made dirt.
What kind of dirt?
Strawberry dirt.
Oh, yummy. Strawberry dirt.
Scissors. And put on top. And it sounds it's yummy.
What is it?
It's hippo.
A hippo? How does a hippo, what does a hippo do?
It's ready.
It's ready?
Hippo come out. Hippo do stuck on my bottle.
Are you cooking it?
Yes.
You making dinner? What's for dinner?
Pizza
What else?
and cookies and chocolate and cake.
Sounds good to me.
We also special and cake.
Cakes? What about salad?
Here's some cakes. Here's some cakes.
Thank you.
Here, some moats.
Are you having a farty party?
Here's some more. I think you ate cakes. I eat dinner.
What are you having for dinner?
Cookies and chocolate and cakes. I make top and a flower. Here's some my castle.
Hey, can you sing me a song?
I can. I just pay my cakes.
You just made your cake. You can't sing me a song?
No,
What about Doe a Deer?
no,
How about Small World?
no,
Almost there?
no,
No songs?
no,
Happy birthday?
no,
It goes with the cake.
no.
Okay.